Okay, hello again. Guys, this is line of best fit. This is the practice worksheet. And it's in the bottom green folder. And look, you don't have to print the worksheet. We're just going to do it right here. But if you want a copy of the worksheet, it's in there. And you don't have to hand it in. All right? Again, I went ahead and drew all the lines in red here. All right, that's probably the best way to do it. It's multiple choice. We're trying to find what is the equation for the line of best fit. All right? You have the table up here, but I'm just going to suggest use the graph. And look for the y-intercept. This y-intercept is somewhere around 100. You see that? It's somewhere around 100. So the y-intercept is right here. It's right here, 105. It must be B. Okay? All right, for number 2, again, I drew the line. I try to draw it to where there's equal number of points on the top and the bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get close so you can see where it crosses the y-axis. This is 100, 200, it's around 150, 150, somewhere in there. Yeah, right here, 158. All right, so that's their answer. That's the best way to do this, you guys. It's multiple choice. Just look for the y-intercept. Remember, this is y equals mx plus b. The b is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis right here. All right? Or right here. All right? The m is the slope. This number is the slope. It's kind of hard to figure. That's why you have the table. You can use this to calculate the slope, or maybe once you draw the line, pick a couple points. That's even better. All right? If you need the slope. But I'm going to suggest you only use the y-intercept. That's the best way to do it. Here's the next one. This is in negative correlations as a negative slope. All right, this is 6,000, 7, 8, 9,000. It's higher than 9. It's right here, guys, 9,500. I'm taking that, B. Right, number 4, again, negative. I tried to draw it so there's equal points on the below it and above it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. And this goes through, it's above 700. You know, so look at this. Look at these numbers, guys. It's got to be 732. It's the only one it can be. All right, B. All right, number 5. And I drew the line. It's coming down here. This is 0.4, 0.2. So this is 0.1. It's less than 0.1. But not much less. 0.2, 0.7. Here, right here, guys, it's this one. It's less than 0.1. This is like 0.08. A little less than 0.1. Again, it can't be 0.7. That would be way up here. It can't be 0.25. That would be up here. Okay, it's right down there. All right, use the process of elimination. It's multiple choice. All right, here's our line. This is 800, 900, around 1,000. Yeah, right here, 1,004. Right here, guys, that's A. All right? Let's keep going. Here's our line. It's coming down. It's below 0.2, above 0.1, so it's 0.1 something. Right here, 0.15. All right? Number 8. This is the line I drew. It came down around 0.03. A little less than 0.03. Right here, 0.29. Right there, that's it. 2 more left and we're done. All right, here's my line coming down right here. It's above between 1,000 and 2,000. Right here, 1,100. All right, last one. 800, 900, 900. Right here, 902. All right. Guys, that's how you do those, okay? They're relatively easy. I think here, I'll try to. We got a little bit of time left. Let's see here. All right, that's it. Thanks, you guys.